Start off with some breaking news. The Delhi Commission for Women summons Delhi Law Minister Somnath Bharti on the complaint filed by Ugandan woman against him. Now remember, this is after even a petition was in fact filed by with the NHRC and the NCW for Somnath Bharti's alleged racist comments and for trespassing and molestation. Now there has in fact been a complaint against the Delhi Law Minister by the Ugandan woman for trespassing property and molesting her. This is referring in fact to the incident that took place a couple of days ago where Somnath Bharti claimed to be cracking down on a drug and prostitution racket. Right, this very incident in fact has led to this situation that is in fact taking place in the capital currently, with Arvind Kejriwal in fact demanding that some of the SHOs be suspended, but after the Home Minister has refused to relent, Arvind Kejriwal in fact launching this dharna, which is currently on at the MHA. But the MHA has decided to extend this rope, in fact given to Arvind Kejriwal, and give him more time till the 24th of this month. This is after, remember, there's tight security in and around the area because of the Republic Day parade that is in fact coming up on the 26th of this month. But this news in fact coming in right now that in fact the Delhi Commission for Women has in fact summoned Delhi's Law Minister Somnath Bharti on the complaint filed by the Ugandan woman against him. Our correspondent Ankit Tyagi now joining us on the phone line, joining us live with more details on this. Ankit, trouble clearly mounting for Delhi's Law Minister Somnath Bharti with now the Women's Commission summoning him.
The Delhi Commission for Women has in fact, Sanjana, sent a notice to Somnath Bharti, the Law Minister of Delhi, and asked him to appear before them by 2:30. This is pertaining to the case that has been registered by the Ugandan women who said that it was the minister and his men, those who in fact had molested them and also beaten them up. On those reports, the Delhi Commission of Women has in fact asked the Law Minister to appear. But I just spoke to the Law Minister of Delhi, Somnath Bharti, and he clearly said that he has not received any message and hence he is not going to appear, completely in defiance of what the DCW has said. He said that he has checked it with his office and he has even the office has not received any notice from the Delhi Commission of Women, and that is why he is not going to appear before the commission. In fact, right now, if you can see on your screen, Sanjana, huge police deployment. This is the shift being changed, and you can see all these men in khaki moving right across the place where the protest is going on. They are going to in fact change the shift. It is all these policemen have been standing here since morning. Remember, about 4,000 policemen from Delhi police personnel have been deployed here in and around this entire area. The Delhi police bolstering their strength here, and you just saw those visuals of the policemen marching on the other side. Apart from that, very quickly let me add another update that the Transport Minister of Delhi, Saurabh Bhardwaj, has in fact ordered the metros, 4 metro stations that have been closed, the metro station in and around this area which have been closed. He has ordered the DMRC to open those metro stations. So far, those metro stations have remained closed. The government has made sure that not many people trickle in.